Good evening, everyone. My name is Ghazala and I'm one of the students at FLC. I have recently passed my OET in my first attempt, and I am very much thankful to God for all this success. And after that, I am very grateful to this institute and my teacher, Sir Charlie, who helped me throughout my journey. And I'm here to share my experience with FLC. Uh, while studying here, I have experienced a lot of things. I found my teacher very helpful, and all the staff is very cooperative. And the one of the best thing is that that schedule is very flexible, and we can manage with our duties, and it is one of the positive point here. And the other thing is that during my journey, Sir Charlie helped me a lot, and he always give preference to his students, and he always guide us in all ways, and he is very helpful. And I'm here to encourage all of you that you have to be determined. Never think that you can do many attempts. Always think that you have to do it in your first attempt. If you do it with your best efforts, I hope that you can achieve your success in your first attempt. And I'm also very thankful to my family and all of my friends who prayed for me, and I wish all the students who are studying here best of luck, and I hope that they can also achieve their good results in their first attempt. And I also want to suggest all of you that if there is anyone in your duty place, or you see anyone around you who want to do OET, I want to encourage them that you can join FLC, because this is one of the best institute who is helping the students to get their higher education for future learning. I wish all of you good luck, and I hope that you can also achieve your high grades in your first attempt. Thank you.